right, every time that you write a recursive rule or an explicit, it doesn't have to be arithmetic or geometric. So what I've got here is a sequence, and we're going to try to write a recursive rule for it. So what I want to try to do is think, is there anything that I could do to this term to get that term? So I noticed here I could multiply by 1 or I could add 0, but neither one of those would work to go from this term to this term. So then I think, well, what could I do to these two terms to get that? And if I add 1 plus 1, I get 2. And if I take that times 2, I get 4. So let's see if it works for this one. If I add these two together, I get 5. Take that times 2, I get 10. If I add these two together, I get 14. Take that times 2, I get 28. So the rule to get this term would be to take this term plus the one before it times 2. To get this one, I would take the 2 before it plus the 1 before it times 2, and that would give me that. So my recursive rule would be this. Take the term 2 previous, a sub n minus 2, add the term previous, which is a sub n minus 1, and then take the answer to that times 2. And these sometimes aren't that easy to see. It may take you a little bit, but I know you guys can do this. Good luck.